Have anything to say?
Nope.
Nope. Stoic rock. Ow, you like scratched me. You just ruined my video. You suck. God, that hurts. No, seriously, that hurt. You like tore off skin. Skin that I'll never get back. Never again. Ever again. Never. Never. I'm gonna have to get a skin graft for a freaking monkey. It's your fault. You know, I'm gonna look back on this video and think, God, I'm an idiot. And you know, I'm gonna think you're an idiot too. Okay, I think I'm done. Because otherwise I sound stupid. Ow. Seriously, you like, I don't even know what you did to me. I want to see it. I'm gonna get